You look like a hamster.
Yes, Uncle Jay, good job.
Mm-hmm. Woo! Nice shot, buddy.
Hey guys, so right now we are going to the pumpkin patch, right? We're almost there, and we have Ni, Dot, and Sarah. Girls, and the boys are riding with Justin. It's Justin, Peter, and Solomon. Yep. And we're gonna take a bunch of cute pictures and stuff. Stay tuned.
Good morning. We're going to get what?
Big pumpkin!
We're gonna get bigger pumpkins than who?
The girl!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Here we are. We are at
The destination is on your left, Waterman's family farm.
See what she's gonna
Arrived.
say.
So guys, we just got in. We just bought our bracelets. Are you guys gonna ride it?
You want to go ride with Peter?
I'm not riding it.
Who wants to go with Peter? Me.
You're going to Florida?
Yeah! It's taking a while. Choo-choo, go!
You guys have fun on that train.
That's cool! Hi guys! We're going to Florida! We're going to Florida!
How was Florida?
It was good!
Is it hot?
Yeah!
Right now we're in here on the train, on the exclusive train track ride. We're going to Florida right now at a full 3 miles an hour. There it goes. Woo!
You can do it.
Go. You look like a hamster. You got this. Go, Peter, go. All right, here goes D. Push him.
Okay, stop!
Woo! Now we got 2 of them in there. She's spinning.
Here, come on, let's go. Let's race!
I want to go. Here we go. You ready?
Yes.
How do we go? Whoa!
Look at them. So fun.
Oh, that was fun.
Yeah.
I'm a big kid. All right, you got to make it through.
Whoever gets 5 first wins.
I'll get the ball!
Should I get the ball?
No, we'll just do this.
Okay, I'm gonna get that ball, okay?
Go get the ball. Security.
This is for my family.
All right, what's going on over here?
Let's see who's better. Yeah, Peter, good job. Yes, Uncle Jay, good job.
Mm-hmm. Oh, 3 down. Winner. First trial ever. Mini bowling.
Per.
Time 1.
Oh, it was close.
got one. Now it's time for Dot or Sarah. Go, Sarah. Go. Oh, she got one. And Dot. Oh, the cleanup. What do you think of that?
It was good.
I think so. Boom. You got anything to say?
I'm gonna hold this. We're going up here. Parkour, of course. Let's go parkour, guys. I hope I don't drop it. Because this is $400 underground. Yeah, hold the camera.
All right, here we go. You got it, Peter. You got it.
Hi, guys.
You made it. You gonna go down the slide? Here we go.
It's kind of big.
No, it's not bad.
Yes, it is.
Okay, I'll catch you. I got you right here.
No, there's no way to get down.
I can catch you. Just right here. You can do it. Just jump. Go. I'm right here.
It's amazing, man.
Wasn't bad, huh?
Yeah, I want to go and get.
Hi.
Are you ready? Give me the vlog.
Okay, I'm ready.
Give me the camera. Oh. Alright, bye. Whoa, it's keep falling down. Wow, that was so quick.
All right, Peter. Woo! Nice shot, buddy.
Got a winner.
Winner, winner, winner.
What do we got?
What do you want?
All prize. Anything in these buckets.
Anything in the buckets. What do you want, Peter?
We got some hammers, bat, sword.
Yeah. A sword? Oh my gosh. Better watch out. You like it? Yeah? All right, let's go. Here it comes.
Are you excited? Not to be a part.
There we go. You ready to go on this hayride?
Yeah,
Here we go. Where are we going?
Pick the pumpkins.
What do you see, Peter?
big pumpkin. Okay.
You want to shoot the birds? Pumpkins. What are you gonna do?
But it's raining now. It started raining.
Uh-oh, it's raining.
Uh-oh. Wow.
Okay, pick whatever you like.
Pick what you like. Look at that. Wow.
Yeah, you can pick big one too if you want.
Where'd you find that?
That's all sitting there.
Big one. Oh. Beautiful, huh?
Big one.
That's not beautiful. Look, look behind.
That's just look at little mud on it.
Yeah.
Stop being so extra, Nee.
Yeah, Nee.
Okay.
I am always like that.
Give me the phone.
Okay, let's find a good pumpkin. We got lots of pumpkins out here. Look at all the pumpkins. Peter, find me a good one. That one? I want a good one.
This one?
No. How about this one? I like this one. Look at this one, bro. You like it? Yeah. That's a big one. Let's get it. Which one you want, Salama?
So either this or that.
Flip a coin.
This one's good.
That one. That's a good one. Which one you got, Dot?
This one.
Ooh. Nice pumpkin, Sarah.
Guys, my hair looks so good today, but it's raining.
Okay, everybody look at Dot's hair. It looks so good.
But it's raining.
Look at it quick.
Comment below if you think her hair looks great.
Hey, you don't want this one? This is my biggest one.
Here we go. Got our pumpkins and we are headed back on the hayride. Nice pumpkin, bro.
Thanks.
I like your pumpkin, G.
Over here. Look at my glasses.
It is raining in the pumpkin patch. Is it wet, bro? Bro, you look like you're melting, bro.
Play another game.
Yeah. We'll play another game.
And then try to hit, okay? Look at the, yeah. Look at a little bit up. Oh.
Alright, you get a small prize.
Alright. You got a small prize.
Well, out front here, there's some right here, hammers and balls.
Alright, you got to pick you got to pick whatever you like. This one or that one.
I just had them out of the range, so whatever you want.
Pick one. Okay, good job.
Alright, it's your shot, sir.
Peter. A little bit up, Glue. Yay! Good job!
See what you got. You got a red cup and a small prize. What would you like? Hammer, a bat, a ball, a sword? Alright. You want a ball?
Good job.
Alright, next player.
Alright, Peter.
I'm very good at it.
Which one you gonna shoot?
I'm going to shoot.
Okay, go try. Whoa! Good job! Good job, Peter. Good job, guys. Yay!
I absolutely cannot wait for Halloween, guys. We're so close to the car.
Ooh, oranges.
That one's Solomon's pumpkin. I can just
Yeah?
tell.
You just know?
Yeah. That one's probably Peter's. I know Sarah's.
Ooh, this is a big one.
That one's, I don't even know who that is. I think
That's
that's
a good one.
Knees.
Yeah.
That one's my pumpkin, guys.
Beautiful.
That one's, I don't even know who that is.
Yeah, it's somebody's.
That one's is Justin, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. Sounds good. All right, look at this. Beautiful. Trunk full of pumpkins. Happy October, y'all.
Yes.
Pumpkin patch.